very young lady that is making it. There will be people saying there are rumors of people that say that in the skit making industry, some skit makers request for sex for roles and all. So I want to know, is this actually true? Because actually the skit making industry is one industry that it has been in existence, but social media has given it enough light that people are not like skit makers. When an actor stands and a skit maker stands, you give two of them the same accolades. You get. So would you say, what's your take on that rumor, and what's your take generally on it?
Okay, my take generally on that rumor is that I really don't know, because I have not experienced it or witnessed. I mean, I can't experience it because I'm nobody's mate.
Exactly.
Don't mind me. So I haven't witnessed it or seen someone that has happened to, but I'm hearing from outside and other people that it's happening. So, but it's very possible though. The entertainment industry generally, from Nollywood to the music, Nollywood, the one I've experienced, this sexual harassment thing, sex for roles thing is like very rampant. It's almost normal. I'm sure it even happens even outside as well. So I won't be surprised if it happens in the skit industry as well. But that would be very bad and very unfortunate, because what are they doing? They're still trying to grow them themselves. So why, for me, but I haven't witnessed with my eyes. All the best to them. but then of course, for the girl that decides to give sex for a role in his skits, oh God, that girl is unwise. Like, no. I can't say foolish, but she is just unwise. Like, what are you doing? Skit that have like 6K views. So I'm sure like those upcomers that will be doing this kind of thing.
Oh my God.
Don't mind me, but no, nobody should better, I beg.
I press something new. When I see you, it's on Nigella. Nigella rice.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
Next time we get this place, you come. Hey! I beg. Let me go to the land. Let me go to my finish. Chop.
We are the Institute of the Dead that want to come back alive. I said quiet! What? As you have eaten the food, so shall your souls be replaced with ours. Jesus! You'll be dead!
I also love your energy, like sincerely. Okay, so I would love to have your own understanding of the common trending thing that they say, small girl, big God. So I would want to know what you understand it to be.
Okay, well, small girl, big God is their slang that means in the society, what it just meant in their is a young successful girl with a sugar daddy. Of course, that's what it meant. Yeah. Young, successful girl, young, fine girl that has money, whatever, definitely has a sugar daddy behind. That's what it just meant randomly then in society. And that's really their business. I don't think it has anything to do with me. If at all it has anything to do with me, it's going to then that would be like me being a young, successful girl, of course, and my big God, my actual big God might say above. That's that. If at all this is connected to me, you know, because I can't really have a sugar daddy. Even though I don't mind having a sugar daddy though, because these girls are crazy. These girls are gonna kill somebody any moment from now, so I don't mind. Those people that say nothing, they can connect me. I'll collect you. As far as the man will give me money without asking for anything.
Oh my God. Okay.
As far as the man will give me money. Go ahead.